Earlier, part B goes on to say a pilot vessel, when not engaged on pilotage duty, shall exhibit the lights or shapes prescribed for a similar vessel of her length. So here we are then, this is just simply a pilot vessel not on pilot duty, showing our steaming light or masthead light and our port side 2 light. A vessel not under command shall exhibit 2 all-round red lights in a vertical line where they can best be seen, 2 balls or similar shapes in a vertical line where they can best be seen, and when making way through the water, in addition to the lights prescribed in this paragraph, side lights and a stern light. Let's have a closer look at those lights then. Here we have the 2 all-round red lights in a vertical line. So these are all-round lights that can be seen from any aspect of the vessel. When we're making way through the water, in addition to the lights prescribed in this paragraph, so in addition to the 2 all-round red lights, we have to show our side lights and a stern light. So here we have a vessel that's not under command, port side 2, definitely making way, not just underway, definitely making way because we've now got that aspect light. Rotating around the vessel then, here we have a vessel not under command seen from ahead, because now we can see both of those port and starboard aspect lights. Continuing the rotation, starboard side 2 making way, and finally from astern.
Welcome to my channel Sailing Beast. Today we will learn Rule 29. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on upcoming videos. Rule 29. Pilot vessels. A vessel engaged on pilotage duty shall exhibit 1 at or near the masthead, 2 all-round lights in a vertical line, the upper being white and the lower red. 2 when underway, in addition, side lights and a stern light. 3 when at anchor, in addition to the lights prescribed in subparagraph I, the anchor light, light or shape. B. A pilot vessel when not engaged on pilotage duty shall exhibit the lights or shapes prescribed for a similar vessel of her length.
30. We're covering anchored vessels and vessels. Paragraph A. A vessel at anchor shall exhibit, where it can best be seen, in the forepart, an all-round white light, or 1 ball. At or near the stern, and at a lower level than the lights prescribed in the first paragraph, an all-round white light. And we're going to go straight ahead with paragraph B as well, because that links in with this, and it says a vessel less than 50 metres in length may exhibit an all-round white light where it can best be seen, instead of the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule. We can see that this small vessel only has to have the 1 all-round white light where it can best be seen, and as soon as we increase that length up to more than 50 metres, we need to have 2 all-round white lights, 1 at the forward end, 1 at the after end, and the after end needs to be lower than the one at the forward end. Paragraph C says a vessel at anchor may, and a vessel of 100 metres or more in length shall, also use the available working or equivalent lights to illuminate her decks. Starts to talk about vessels aground. A vessel aground shall exhibit the lights prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule, which is the 2 all-round white lights if you're greater than 50 metres, or the 1 all-round white light if you're less than 50 metres. And in addition to that, where they can best be seen, you need to show 2 all-round red lights in a vertical line, or by day of course 3 balls in a vertical line. So hopping over to the diagram, we can see if this vessel was aground, it's still got that anchor light forward and aft, but in addition we just need these 2 all-round red lights wherever they can best be seen. Paragraph E, a vessel of less than 7 metres in length, when at anchor, not in or near a narrow channel, fairway or anchorage, or where other vessels normally navigate, shall not be required to exhibit the lights or shapes prescribed in paragraphs A or B of this rule. So less than 7 metres you're exempt, unless you're somewhere other vessels normally navigate. And finally paragraph F, a vessel of less than 12 metres in length, when aground, shall not be required to exhibit the lights or shapes prescribed in subparagraphs D1 or 2 of this rule. So less than